Welcome to Go Go Mandarin Grammar.
华语语法战士。
Today we're going to review the alternative questions
是还是
is used to provide two or more options, possibilities, or alternatives by asking a question. An equivalent word in English is or. The difference between
还是
and or is that
还是
is always used to provide options in a question. It should never be used in statements. Here's a common sentence structure of
还是
subject plus
是还是
the function of this sentence, as mentioned before, is to provide options or suggestions. Let's take a look at some examples. Amy met two sisters for the first time. She was wondering who was older and who was younger. So she could ask,
你是姐姐还是妹妹
Are you the older sister or the younger sister? Notice that
是还是
itself is a question. It would be wrong if you say,
你是姐姐还是妹妹吗
Are you the older sister or the younger sister? Keep in mind that in the
是还是
structure, you don't add
吗
the question marker at the end of the sentence. Let me introduce you to
小华
Is he Japanese or Korean? You may ask,
小华是日本人还是韩国人
Is
小华
Japanese or Korean? And this is Mr. Lee. Is he a waiter or the boss? You may ask,
李先生是服务生还是老板
Is Mr. Lee a waiter or the boss? Now I'd like to know your plans for the morning.
你早上是去爬山还是去跑步
Are you going hiking or running this morning? Which activity would you choose? If the answer is to go hiking, you can say,
我早上去爬山
I'm going hiking this morning. But what if I want to provide 3 or more choices for this morning's plans? The same structure can be used, but
还是
only appears before the last choice. Here's the sentence.
你早上是去爬山去跑步还是去游泳
Are you going hiking, jogging, or swimming this morning? You have now learned the grammar point about alternative questions.
还是
See you at the next lesson.